So today's the day we're going to try and fly this box and land a drone on it. Landing a drone on a drone, that's what it's all about. Wish me luck. Well, as you can see, I've gone ahead and punched some holes right the way through the box now. So that should stop any breeze from blowing the drone around. Let's take a look as we take it off from the pitch back here and see just whether it actually works better than it did the last time. Fingers crossed. What do you think about that? That was pretty stable, wasn't it? That was pretty good. Okay, so next step. What we're going to do now is we're going to put a cover over the top of that. Now, you saw in the first video, or maybe you didn't, I don't know, but if you didn't, just have a look up here and you should be able to see the link to the video where I tried putting some material across the top of it and the material got sucked down and chopped up. So this time I'm going to try using, just hang on a second, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to try using that. I don't know if you can even pick that up on the screen. It's a very fine mesh, sort of like a chicken wire kind of thing. I'm going to go put that on now, and then we'll try and take that off, because if it flies with this on top, then I can land a drone on it. Wish me luck. Well, that looks a bit problematic. We'll try it again. No, it doesn't look like it's going to fly. I think the weight of that is a little bit too hard. So, onwards and upwards. I have a plan. I told you that in the last one. Thanks for watching, and follow this journey with me. I haven't given up yet. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye.